My name is Nicole Pigford, and I am the manager of behavioral support programs for Yes Prep Public Schools. We are a charter school system in the Houston, Texas area, serving pre-K through 12th grade. We've been in Houston now for about 26 years, and Carlos came to our organization several years ago at one of our secondary campuses, but most recently I met Carlos when he came to work for our district as the behavior support specialist for our North Central Elementary, which is one of our founding elementary campuses. Through my work with Carlos in his role as the BSS, I discovered that he has a wonderful curriculum and program that he has created around restorative circles and restorative practices that he works with school districts to roll out and coach their teachers and staff in engaging in these practices with their students. So once I found this out, I asked Carlos to join us at one of our content days and provide restorative circle training to our other behavior support specialists along with our elementary student support counselors. So Carlos is someone who's wonderful to work with. He has a warm and welcoming personality. You can just really tell the passion that Carlos has for helping kids. He's very open. He shares his story with people about what really drives him in the work. And he's just so passionate about what he does and helping students reach their highest and best potential. So I'm very grateful that we had the opportunity. As a speaker, Carlos is very engaging. He's vulnerable. I think he really and truly helps people feel comfortable to really understand what the process of running a restorative circle is with young people. But I think his own vulnerability and willingness to be open and share his story, even in the setting of a training as he's coaching others to be able to complete these services and this work with students, really helped everyone at our training to just feel comfortable, to be willing to open up and to be really engaged in the process. One of my favorite things I think about the training that he does is it's really not just a sit and get, right? So people aren't just sitting and taking in the information, but they're actually engaging in actually a circle as they're learning how to run circles themselves, which I think is a really great way for people to learn. Sit and get is not always the right way to go. So I think there were a lot of great takeaways that other staff that joined us at the training had to say about their experience. I would definitely recommend Carlos and his program to any school district who really has a desire to start learning and understanding the benefits of restorative practices and how it can assist their students. So I just want to say thank you so very much to him and for everything that he does and for everything that he brings to our district.